Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I'm going to prepare coriander pakoras, that is dhaniya pakora. I'm not going to add too many spices to this recipe. So the ingredients that I require to prepare this recipe are, I have taken a bunch of coriander leaves, fresh coriander leaves, and I have just roughly chopped them. Nicely washed it and now roughly chopped them. This is 2 tablespoons of besan, that is gram flour, and 1 tablespoon of rice flour, that is the chawal ka atta. Here I have taken 1 green chilli and I have cut them in a thin slices. This is coriander powder. I have roasted the coriander, dry roasted it, and then grind it to make this powder. So first roast it and then grind it. This gives a lovely flavor to the pakoras. Salt as per our taste, and I'll be using oil for frying. So now let's get started. So let me add the besan first. Now I'm going to add the rice flour, the chopped chilies, and the coriander powder, salt as per our taste, and little water, 2 tablespoons of water, and I will mix it. Coriander itself has a lovely flavor, friends. Little bit more water I'm going to add. It should bind. Now friends, you can see the consistency should be like this. If you require to add more besan, if it doesn't bind, please add more besan. See, it will bind now. So now let's heat oil for this pakora. So now friends, the oil is getting heated. Once the oil heats, I'm going to make flat pakoras like this, and I will put while you're dropping these pakoras into the oil, friends, please make sure you put the oil in low flame and be very careful while dropping it into the oil. So I will fry all this remaining batter, fry it nicely. Now we will turn these pakoras so that it gets fried on the other side also. I was frying the pakoras in the medium flame, friends. Now I will increase the flame to high. So friends, as you can see, pakoras are done from both the sides. It's nice and crispy. I'll reduce the flame. I will take these pakoras out. here is our yummy pakora. Now I'll repeat the same with the leftover mixture. So here is our coriander pakoras ready. Serve it hot with ketchup or green chutney. It is nice and crispy. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon.